today I have a 28-ounce can and a paint can lid of a gallon paint and some black short cut spray paint. Once I sprayed both my can and my lid, I took some E6000 and glued the rim of the can to the top of my paint can lid. Once dry, I took this burlap adhesive tape and adhered it around the rim of my can all the way at the base where it meets the paint can lid. Cutting off the excess. And then I took a buffalo plaid ribbon that was a little smaller than my burlap, and I glued that around the center of my burlap. Guys, this is a super easy craft. You can do this with your family. Now I'm just gluing my buffalo plaid ribbon around the burlap. Now you can choose any ribbon of your choice, something that goes with your decor. And I'm just using hot glue from my hot glue gun to adhere my ribbon. And I found this spray at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to glue this to the side of my now snowman hat. And that's basically it, guys. This was really, really, really easy, but I think it came out so cute. If you'd like to see other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all of our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, brushes, transfers, tissue paper, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.